Are you ready to elevate your outdoor adventures with the perfect shade solution? In today's video, we are counting down the top 5 easy Setup Canopy Tents 2025 quick assembly for outdoor fun. Whether you are planning a camping trip, a backyard party, or a day at the beach, these pop-up canopies are designed for effortless setup, durability, and maximum comfort. Stay tuned as we break down the best options to keep you covered in style. You can find all the product links in the description below. And now, let's get started with the video. At number 5, the Crown Shades 10x10 pop-up canopy offers a hassle-free setup with its patented one-button push center lock technology. This innovative design allows 2 people to assemble it in seconds without tools. Featuring a durable steel frame and 3 adjustable height settings with soft, pinch-free buttons, this canopy is perfect for camping, beach outings, farmer markets, and more. The EZ Clip canopy fabric ensures a secure attachment to the frame, while its silver-coated interior provides UPF 50+ UV protection, keeping you cool and safe. Made from rugged 150D fabric, it is water-resistant and flame-resistant, offering reliable protection. Integrated air vents help reduce wind lift and rain pooling, minimizing fabric stress during outdoor events. With the STONGO system, collapsing and storing this canopy is effortless. It allows for storage with the fabric attached and features a pocket for stakes, guy ropes, and sandbags. Built-in wheels let you move it easily even when set up, making relocation at patios and sports events a breeze. Offering 100 square feet of shade, this canopy accommodates up to 10 people comfortably. Its high-grade steel frame is corrosion-resistant, pre-assembled, and supports up to 120 pounds, ensuring durability. The extended ceiling and high-peak design prevent water pooling, making it ideal for outdoor markets, festivals, and gatherings. Taking the 4th spot is the Crown Shades canopy with one sidewall, a versatile and easy-to-use shelter for outdoor activities. Featuring a one-button push center lock system, this canopy allows for a quick, hassle-free setup by 2 people in seconds, requiring no tools. With 3 adjustable height settings, it is perfect for a variety of events, including camping, craft fairs, tailgating, and beach outings. The EZ Clip canopy fabric securely attaches to the frame, providing a UPF 50+ UV protective silver-coated interior for cooler shade. Made from durable 150D fabric, it is water and flame resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. The included 150D sidewall adds extra sun and wind protection, making it ideal for market stalls and outdoor gatherings. With the STONGO system, storage and transportation are effortless. The tent can be collapsed with the fabric attached and features a specialized pocket for stakes, sandbags, and guy ropes. Built-in wheels make repositioning easy, even when fully assembled, allowing for quick setup at patios, sports events, or festivals. Providing 100 square feet of shade, this canopy comfortably accommodates up to 10 people. The high-grade alloy steel frame is corrosion-resistant, pre-assembled, and supports up to 120 pounds, ensuring durability. Its extended ceiling design prevents rainwater pooling, making it a reliable choice for outdoor fun, markets, and exhibitions. Next on our list is the Mastercanopy Pop-Up Canopy Tent, a durable and easy-to-assemble shelter designed for outdoor activities. Featuring polyester fabric with a polyurethane coating, this canopy provides 100% water resistance and UPF 50+ UV protection, shielding you from sun, wind, and rain. The heat-sealed seams enhance its weatherproof capabilities, making it ideal for beach outings and outdoor gatherings. This 10x10 pop-up canopy includes a sturdy steel frame, a top cover, 1 sidewall, a carry bag, and 4 sandbags, ensuring a complete setup. Designed for quick assembly by 2 people, this tent is user-friendly and compact enough to fit into a car. The vent hole at the top allows for proper air circulation, reducing wind pressure and enhancing comfort during use. The reinforced canopy structure features super strong truss bars, sturdy steel feet with drilled holes, and smooth push-button sliders, ensuring stability and longevity. With reinforced stress points at peak poles, this canopy is built to withstand outdoor elements, making it a reliable choice for any event. For effortless transportation, the heavy-duty wheeled bag measures 52 by 9 by 9 inches and includes reinforced base plates, smooth rolling wheels, and multiple rubber handles for easy lifting and maneuverability. Whether for the beach, backyard, or a festival, this pop-up canopy offers both convenience and durability for all your outdoor adventures. At number 2, the Outfine base pop-up canopy tent stands out with its sturdy construction and premium materials, making it an excellent choice for outdoor events. The reinforced steel frame includes for strategically positioned steel cables, enhancing durability and optimizing water runoff for a secure, dry shelter in various weather conditions. Made from 0.8 mm thick rust-resistant steel tubes, this frame is stronger than the standard 0.6 mm market thickness, ensuring long-lasting performance. The 300D Oxford cloth canopy top offers exceptional waterproofing up to 1000 mm and UPF 50+ UV protection, shielding you from harsh sun rays. With a 10 by 10 foot base and 12 by 12 foot eaves, this tent provides ample shade, making it ideal for markets, playgrounds, farms, and disaster relief areas. Designed for quick and easy assembly, this canopy can be set up in minutes by 2 to 4 people. Simply unfold the frame, install the overhanging support rods, secure the canopy top, and adjust the height to one of 3 options: 6.2 feet, 6.6 feet, or 6.9 feet. Sidewalls can also be installed for additional protection, and sandbags and stakes ensure maximum stability. This canopy includes a comprehensive accessory package, featuring a wheeled roller bag, steel frame, support rods, canopy top, for sidewalls, sandbags, ropes, and stakes for a complete outdoor setup. Whether for trade shows, markets, or backyard gatherings, this rugged and durable pop-up canopy is built for long-term outdoor use. Taking the top spot is the Acepic 10 by 10 pop-up canopy tent, an excellent choice for camping and outdoor gatherings. Made from high-quality 300D Oxford fabric with a PA waterproof coating, this canopy offers UPF 50+ UV protection while preventing water accumulation in harsh conditions. The durable steel frame features sturdy steel legs with drilled holes, ensuring stability and supporting up to 120 pounds for long-lasting performance. Setting up this pop-up canopy is effortless, thanks to its one-touch center locking technology. With a central button and clip-less height adjuster, a single person can assemble or dismantle it in seconds without using tools. The soft pinch-free buttons allow for easy height adjustments, letting you customize the shade to suit your needs. Designed for versatility, this 10 by 10 canopy tent features an air vent at the top, which enhances airflow and reduces wind pressure, keeping you cool and comfortable. Whether you are camping, hosting a picnic, attending a trade show, or enjoying a backyard barbecue, this tent provides the perfect outdoor shelter. Offering 100 square feet of shade, this pop-up canopy has a straight leg design that maximizes interior space, allowing you to move freely. With 3 preset height options, you can easily adjust the canopy to the perfect height for any event. Spacious, sturdy, and easy to use, the Acepic pop-up canopy tent is the ultimate solution for outdoor fun and relaxation.